Right, welcome back. What's good? What's up? All right, so I'm gonna just show now, carrying out on the journey. We break down Nasdaq. We try to catch a setup. All right, so this are pretty much what take place. All right, so we are trend down from all right. London session start what 3 o'clock. So we start consolidate. All right, start consolidate through London session, and then we start drop at the break under here, so right. So all our London session we are drop, we are drop, we are drop. Alright, so we're strong bearish now. And as me telling already, this are my MA moving averages. So I have the 200, I have the 50, and I have the 13. So the 13 stay closer to price. The 13 always stay closer to price. So the 13 very important. Now, I not rely upon them moving average here now for you know solely to execute my trade them. No, I just use them as a added confluence to kind of assist me. All right, so upon breaking down this, I'm gonna look on the higher time frame. And by the way, this is a delayed chart, so we're delayed by 5 minutes. All right, delayed by 5 minutes, and this is a trading view. Me not execute my trading on trading view. Me execute on TradeOvate, but I'm a live account, my personal account. All right, so the current candle neither break higher lows, but we've been bearish. We've been bearish since, so with a consolidate. We've been bearish since February 21st, right? We've been bearish, we've been a drop. So as you can see on most of the other time frame them. So we are come down. But we are looking on the current leg, right? We have scalper, as we say again, we have scalper. So we are looking for the quick move in and out of the market with the money, just like that. Alright, so this is the 1 hour. And as you can see, we have a bearish leg a come down. This was before, before all of this push up. Right? Me not have bar replay. I guess when me start make some money, me not have bar replay. Right? They might ask me to take a 30-day trial or upgrade. So anyway, so I come down on the leg here, right? Two nice strong bearish momentum candle. 30 minutes, similar, same thing. All right, so we'll take range up on the 5 minutes. So this is what me I see. So before me enter the market, this I guess pre-New York, we push up a little, we start consolidate. Right, at this point, in my head, we're still bearish because we never see nothing will indicate to me say we're bullish. So we're still bearish at this point. So when we're bearish, me trade need a supply and demand trader, supply and demand scalper. So since we're bearish, me look at supply setup. All right. So now I identify my first supply setup, which is, let's see, I look for the last up candle before a momentum down candle. So I identify this supply, I'm at my market are, right? So from the bottom wick to the top. Yeah, me know how to trade. So I have to explain certain things. So, all right. So pretty much this how we supply. Then the next thing we identify, all right, why this is a supply, we have a gap right here. It's a basic stuff we make in the first video, but again, we have, we can demonstrate this. Anyway, we have a gap. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So we have the gap from the bottom of the wick here to the top of the wick here, you know. Supply and demand is a three triangle formation, pretty much, or pattern or whatever you want to call it. So we gap the in here, so this our gap, right? Because the candle here never come all the way down. The candle here never come all the way up. Neither the body or the wick. We never come all the way up and close, above the wick here or in line with the wick here. So that leave a gap, right? So that being said, after we find the gap, we'll look for a breaker structure, right? So we have a low, high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, low. You get the drift. So low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, right? So the breaker structure when I look on is alpha the wick here. So let's show now what we do today. Right. So once we get the breaker structure is when the candle, the body or the wick come down and close. Well, not necessarily close, but come down and surpass this point, right? The lowest point in the case here. So then after we have a gap, we have a breaker structure, the next thing you look for now is the candle for push up and tap the zone. All right. So we push up, So we never exactly tap the zone, but sometimes you will see it play out like this. You miss it by a hair. Let me zoom in and show you. So we'll look on the area here. All of the area here, we'll look on, right? We miss it by an inch. And if we measure it, we miss it by an inch. And in my case, in my book, it's still valid. This is the valid supply setup where you can get an entry from. Now, where you enter today, the break of the wick here. All right, this is what I consider this as the tapping candle. So the break of the wick here at the bottom, would I consider this the entry? So if we take the entry, we have to sell as a supply. So the entry that is something like this. And who know NASDAQ punish people who enter early these days. You have to know your peers because them change over time. NASDAQ never always stay like this. NASDAQ can either get better or worse. But currently NASDAQ being bad. So this is our short position. This is how we would look like. This is a 1-to-1. Now me did enter early. Me did enter early and me end up get stop out because we get after we push down little when the candle open, we push down and then the next candle come and wick up and put me in some drawdown. But nonetheless, me get stop out and me re-enter as we are break back below this candle, the original entry candle, right? And then we are push down. So then if you know about liquidity, we have liquidity as it in the area here, right? In the area here. On the wiki or even liquidity at fit right there. So then we in at the trade and we are approach 9:30. At this time, this was what 9:25 when we re-enter. And we decided to hold it. We decided to hold it now and we never get greedy because they are secure amount of my profit. So this will be my 1-to-1 and we did have it something like this. Right. I'll go say a 1 to 1.7. Right. It never reach, but me secure profit somewhere in the region here. Because right now I'm doing a habit and it's a bad habit. Me need to work on my psychology, my greed level, my fear level, my anxiety. Me need to work on all of that to become a successful trader. So because of my struggles now with discipline and anxiety, me break even early. And that's how come me get top out of that's how come me take my first loss. And me take a loss earlier. It wasn't anything major. My personal daily loss limit saved me. Right? It was 150. This is a small account. So it saved me. I may get top out. Right? And it was because no, I'm not getting at that. But anyway, the trader was a winning trade. And because I break even early, for whatever reason we need to work on, right? me end up each time price push down, me end up a inch down, a inch down, a inch down. Right. So price push down, me move my entry to that. So right. Price push down some more, me a inch down, so me a inch down. Right. So me end up take profit, it end up stop me out, right? Because it end up push down as you can see the wick, and it end up pull back and stop me out around the region here. Right. Me still make a decent profit when I'm comfortable with for the day. Right. And after I pull back, alright, me did already secure the trade. Me couldn't lose it again because me break even already. This is how the 930 can go do. This is how the 930 can go do. I'm gonna move them here. So we basically change from bearish and start go bullish on the 5 minutes, right? And immediately you can see we form a demand right here. So form a demand. Right? Why this is a demand? Again, as I explained before, we have from the top of the wick here to the bottom of the wick here. So all are in here, so a demand. All are in here, so it's a gap, let's say, right? So we need price now to come in and mitigate the gap, tap the zone, and give our entry and take off, right? But I'll go down in other details in other videos, right? Why this could be a risky setup if we get the pullback, right? We're not going night, you know. This look good, but you also have to pay attention to market structure and trend, right? Now if price come all the way down here, so then there's a possibility that we are change trend, you know. There's a possibility to we are change trend and go the other direction. But ideally, on a normal day, you don't want the price push down in this and reject, get a strong rejection, no close inside of the zone, right? We break a structure over there from the highest point in the region here to right here, so right. That's how this will be we break a structure, right? Would have fall below the 200 and would have to fall below the 50 and the 13 as well. So that's a part of the reason why it would be risky. But anyway, this is how Nasdaq do. And yeah, this is my trade for today. I'm done for the day, and I'll start my day. But I try build a channel, so please me beg, like the video, subscribe to the channel, I'm gonna try drop some more video. It's not gonna be only about trading. I don't really have nothing exciting I go on in my life, but if I run a boat, I go try to vlog it. If I drive, I go try to vlog it. If I go anywhere, fishing, got the gun range, I go try to vlog it. If something come from my mind, I need to reason about it, I go vlog it. I go try my best. I try to grow the channel here. I'm new to YouTube. I try to grow the channel. So please give me a like, subscribe. You don't lose nothing. You don't lose a pound. You don't lose sleep. You don't lose money. You just subscribe and like the video and share the video so it can reach to other people. But I have a job to do too, and I have to just drop some more content. So bless up and thanks for watching.